I'm sure most of you have attempted to use the chat function of Claude to copy and paste in an email, ask it to give you a response to this tricky email in your tone of voice and in your style, and make sure that you cover these 2 or 3 different topics and things, make it warm, make it sound like me, and then you've copied and pasted the response and you've toggled back over to your email provider manually and you've pasted it in and you've sent it. And you're like, whew, that's pretty good. And you've probably gotten like halfway there and thought, geez, I'm pretty efficient. So what I'd love to say to you today is, what if you could now have your email sorted, triaged, prioritized and categorized, and anything important, drafted responses prepared and created, sitting ready for you to approve. And you could just log in, say, once a day to that report, and you could say thank you, and then you could go and spend 20 minutes in your inbox replying to everyone that's important for that entire day. If you could get to that level of sophistication, I can't even say it, and automation, how good would that be?